Okay, inside your kit, you're going to open it up and you're going to get out your Modern Grid Aqua fabric, which is the blue fabric. You are going to get out your Rough Out brown fabric, which looks like this. And you're also going to get out your Forever Dot Tan, or Forever Dot Brown, I'm sorry, fabric. And you're going to cut all three of these into 3-inch squares. I have my 3-inch squares cut out, the Rough Out Brown, the Forever Dot Brown, and the 2 Modern Grid Aqua 3-inch squares on the wrong side. So that means the side that's less vibrant. So the right side of the fabric is the most vibrant side, and the wrong side is the one that is the less vibrant. So you can see here, now I have all this flipped over. That's the wrong side. I'm going to take a ruler and a wash away pencil or marker, and I'm going to draw a line from corner to corner on both Modern Grid fabrics. So from corner to corner, I'm going to draw a line. Then I'm going to place right sides together, so meaning the most vibrant side. So my Rough Out Brown and my Modern Grid, oh my goodness, sorry. Yes, I did that right. My Rough Out Brown and my Modern Grid Aqua, and then my Forever Dot Brown and my Modern Grid, right sides together. If you have pins, go ahead and pin those together, and you're gonna take it to the sewing machine. And what you're going to do is you're going to line your sewing machine up right here, and you're going to put this in the sewing machine, and you're going to sew lining up the foot of your sewing machine, your pedal, and you're going to sew a 1/4 inch from that line, and then you're going to flip it over and sew a 1/4 inch from the other side. So this is what it will look like. So you can see here's my line, and I sewed a 1/4 inch down this side, flipped it around, and sewed a 1/4 inch to that side. When you're done with that, now we're going to take and we're going to cut on that diagonal line. Now we're going to take and place them onto our pressing mat, and we are going to press them. So we're going to take and we are going to press toward the dark fabric. Now we're going to arrange our pinwheel block. So you're going to take your square with the dot, put that in the right hand corner. Now you're going to take your Rough Out Brown, put that down in the right hand corner, and then you're going to rotate again. Now your Tiny Dot Brown going that direction, and your Rough Out Brown going that direction. So now you can see we have our pinwheel block laid out just like that. Now we're going to arrange our pinwheel block. So you're going to take your square with the dot, put that in the right hand corner. Now you're going to take your Rough Out Brown, put that down in the right hand corner, and then you're going to rotate again. Now your Tiny Dot Brown going that direction, and your Rough Out Brown going that direction. So now you can see we have our pinwheel block laid out just like that. We're going to take and we are going to sew these two together. So you're going to place them right sides together. All right, I have my blocks placed right sides together. I have my seams pressed opposite way. You can see one going left, one going right. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to sew down the right hand side of this block. All right, I have my rows sewed together, so I have 2 of those. Now I'm going to press them one more time. But when I do this, I'm going to press the top one to the left, and I'm going to press my seam for the bottom one to the right. Now it's time to sew those together. So I'm going to take and I'm going to place them right sides together. If you'd like, grab a pin and put a pin down the center of those seams. But there you can see I have my seams pressed one way, each opposite way. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add a 1/4 inch seam all the way down. Here it is, a perfect pinwheel block. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to iron that, and we are done with our pinwheel block step.